Horses out here, Forest Marshall, that's the begin. Bonjour, moving up party outside, Dancing Tight Sambata, and Hurricane Ali is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn, we have Forest Marshall, and on the outside is Dancing Tight. 3 lines away in third, Sambat, Bonjour, and Hurricane Ali. Forest Marshall by about 3 for Abalenga, and on the outside, second is Dancing Tight, Sambat is down in third, and followed by Bonjour, and Hurricane Ali still racing in Pipa, and that's still Forest Marshall by out the neck. Dancing Tight is on the outside, and 4 lengths away in third remains Sambat, then comes Bonjour and Hurricane Ali, and Dancing Tight takes the lead. Down on the inside is Forest Marshall, Sambat now coming closer in third, then comes Bonjour and Hurricane Ali, and that's still Dancing Tight by out the length getting up. Forest Marshall still in second, somebody in third, then comes Bonjour and Hurricane Ali, and as they come down to the last 150, and it's still Dancing Tight, followed by Sambat, Forest Marshall, Bonjour down on the inside, it is still Dancing Tight, Sambat, Bonjour moving up in between horses, and it's still Dancing Tight, Bonjour is on the outside, Dancing Tight, Bonjour, and finally Dancing Tight, Bonjour, then comes Sambat, number 2 Hurricane Ali, and number 1 Forest Marshall.